Hi guys, it's Ian here, and today I'm going to be showing you the steps that are required to build that trust with a girl. Now guys, in the live footage I meet the girl right in the park and then I slowly progress her back to my place. But unfortunately our camera batteries died right before I took her through the front door. But nevertheless, you can still follow that progression and you can get a feel of how things were going. Now guys, I've mentioned this a few times before, so I won't be too long, but if you go to kamalifestyles.com below, you'll see that I offer an 8 weeks confidence course which will help build your overall self-esteem with women and will give you that amazing confidence when you're dating with women. So if you'd like to learn more about it, then please don't hesitate to send me an email on ian@kamalifestyles.com. But anyway, I hope you enjoy watching the footage and stay tuned. Excuse me, sorry, I think you look really nice, by the way. Like, yeah, do you speak English?
Yes.
Alright, how old are you, by the way?
19.
Oh, okay, oh, phew. you look quite young. Yeah, but no, I basically, I was just walking in the park.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I thought I'd say hello. This sounds really random. Are you here on holiday?
Yes, for a week.
Just a week?
Yeah.
Alright, well, when are you leaving, like, soon?
No, next Thursday.
Next Thursday?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so you came today?
Yesterday.
Oh, right, sweet. My name's Ian. Yeah, is it ich spreche Ian? I never speak German, but I learned German in school.
Yes.
When I was in school. Yeah, and actually, like, I was a really good student. Yeah, I was like, you know for GCSEs, it's before A levels, but I was learning and I was good. Yeah, I've been to like Cologne.
Yes.
I've been to Cologne before. Yeah, but I want to go to Berlin.
I'm from the south.
Oh, you're from the south? Like, what's it called again? What's that place called in the south? Munich?
Ah, yeah, the other side, Freiburg.
Oh, Freiburg, okay. I studied physics at university. Yeah, I'm telling you my life story. It's really weird.
No.
What are you like studying?
Economics.
Oh, economics?
Food management.
Food management? What's the relation?
Yeah.
It's like very different. Maybe like we can go for a coffee sometime.
Okay.
Like, do you use WhatsApp?
Yes.
Okay, because maybe like we can like talk through WhatsApp. How did you spell your name? Just like that?
Yes.
Okay. Like Vivienne Westwood. You know, the brand. Whoops. I'm changing my settings. Plus 49, wow. London there's so many things to do. When the weather is good, there are like, yeah, there's so many things to do and stuff. You like never run out. But I'm going to Amsterdam soon. In 2 weeks. Yeah, and I've never been there before.
It's beautiful.
Have you been?
Yes.
Alright, did you like it?
Yes.
Cool. Do you want to like sit down? Yeah, because like standing is like weird. I really only go to like Spain when I'm in Europe. I go to Spain and like I never really go to Germany or Austria. Not so good?
Good, but it's not so for holidays.
Really? We can sit here. You look like you exercise a lot. A little bit. So how do you learn? Do you study English in school?
Yeah, but only...
You're shy to talk?
Yeah, I had it in the last 2 years in school. I don't have English, I only have Latin.
So how did you learn English? Okay.
From December to March.
Yeah, that's like the best time to go, because over here it's actually in London it's like so miserable. It was like so cold. It was snowing here as well. It was. No?
Yeah.
I like sci-fi. Like you know science fiction movies. You don't like it? Can't believe you.
No.
That's crazy. No, I like, and there's a movie called, I don't know if you heard of it, it's called Interstellar.
Oh, yes, I don't like this movie.
Yeah, you don't like it? It's, for me, I like it because the music is like really scary.
Yeah.
And the fact that, when you're in space, like space is so dark and lonely. Like for me, that I don't know, that makes me scared. My course, physics at university, is so hard, and because I did it for 4 years. Yeah, and I was really like I found it actually really hard. Actually, there was some Germans in my course. They were so smart. Like there were these two guys. Literally, yeah. They sat at the front, and they were always answering the questions. Today was quite hot. But I think the weather now is going to be shit after this.
Really?
Yeah. Cause,
next day.
Well, I think tomorrow's going to be cooler.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the weather will still be good, but it's not going to be sunny. Like today was so sunny, and yeah, it's like very rare. Are you going to go out on Friday or Saturday?
I don't know. Maybe tomorrow with my friend, but And you learned it in school?
I learned it in school. Yeah. Like we have to study languages.
Yes.
And you can choose one or two. I just chose one because there's a bar. There are some bars around there.
Okay.
Should we walk over there? Okay, so what can we learn from this interaction? Well, you see, one of the key takeaways from this interaction is that L word. And if you haven't guessed it already, it's none other than logistics. Now guys, planning your logistics well in advance is so crucial. See how when I'm engaging with a girl, I have the logistics plan in my head, and this starts from suggesting she sits down on that bench and all the way to suggesting that we go to that bar near my place. Now logistics are key, and you need to plan it way beforehand rather than trying to make it up on the spot. And if you try and make it up without planning it, you're going to be doomed to failure because you're just going to sound a bit sketchy and the girl's just going to feel a little bit uncomfortable. So figure out and know exactly the steps that are required to get her closer to your place or in a hotel room. Now guys, don't suggest places further away from your place. You're just digging yourself a hole by doing that. Now you want to be getting closer and closer to your place, or a place where you can essentially take your clothes off. Now also remember to take your time when you're doing this. Once you've got the girl hooked, then she's practically yours, and so spend more and more time with her in order to build that trust. Although don't get me wrong, you can always take her home straight away, but it just depends on the interaction, so never limit yourself either. But in case things don't work out as quickly as you hope, then pull out that time card and just spend more time with her. And another important point is to keep moving her around to different locations. Now different areas of that park, or even different parts of that same bar, and even to new bars and new locations. So when you shift the girl from one spot to another place, it gives her that feeling that she's been with you for a long time, which is highly effective as it builds that warm familiarity with you, and so she'll have far less objections to sleep with you later on. Anyway, that's all from me today, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and stay tuned for more Infield videos from me. And guys, please do leave your comments below, and I'd also really appreciate it if you could like, share and subscribe to Karma TV. Now I'm Ian Miles, and I'll see you next time.